welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a simple unboxing, not technically unboxing because I opened the wrapper as soon as it came, but it's going to be a teeny tiny review of a plain white sneaker from AJIO. I searched a lot of website for a nice sneaker. It has to be having a soft sole, soft boundaries around your ankle, and it has to be really good quality so that it lasts, but not very expensive like Puma and Nike. 3000 rupees for a white sneaker, not everybody has them. So I found these shoes from AJIO. They're not technically white, they have a gray over here, but I think the gray is amazing. They have a little bit of gray back there also, but I think the gray looks amazing. They're really pretty. The shoelaces are really nice. It's not very good quality, but it's not bad quality. We can work with them. Nowadays there is a very nice trend of tying ribbons instead of shoelaces, so I am trying to find some ribbons around here, but because of COVID-19 and such huge increase in Chennai, I am really not able to go out. So I will try to order something online, but till that moment I think we'll have to wait. I will make a video in which we can style this white sneaker in different ways without actually spoiling the white sneaker. I have found only one as of now, one or two ideas I have. So yeah, we will do that in later point in the channel, but as of now this white sneakers, they're really nice, very soft sole, very nice grip, costed me around 800 rupees. There is still a AJIO sale going on, so those of you who haven't utilized it, go run there and utilize it. The t-shirts, the tops, they are amazing for 200-300 rupees. They are really nice. There are a lot of graphic t-shirts. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a video of my wish list in AJIO and several other websites, and if you do want me to make a video on my wish list from AJIO, I think I will be able to do that real soon. And any other websites, any other shopping ideas, please leave it in the comment section below because I'm really running out of ideas here. There are a lot of basic stuff coming on, like a black slip, jewelry. I have ordered a lot of them, but they are all on the way. They are not reaching here because this is a containment zone, and that is why I wholeheartedly apologize. And that's it for this video. I hope you love the shoes. The shoes are actually really great for the price I got it in. Flipkart 400-500 rupees shoes don't last as much longer. I think this one will last really long. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you did like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe if you already haven't. I have a lot of cool stuff coming for you. And that's it. See you in the next one. Bye.